Hello, welcome back to Htvront YouTube channel. This is Vivia. Our Clear Htv has been released for 1 year. Thanks for your supporting. As we all know, the Clear Htv originally was developed to use on the light fabrics. So when you use this product for dark fabrics, you will find, it's really complicated and prone to mistakes. That's why we began to develop Htvront sublimation on dark Htv later. There were some difficulties, but we made it in the end. So let's begin. These are the materials we prepared today: the black cotton t-shirt, sublimation paper, Htvront sublimation on dark Htv, and our heat tape. I can't wait to show you how amazing it is. In the first step, we need to heat press this t-shirt for 5 seconds. So we need to put these fabrics on the ironing plate and then just put it in and let it work by itself. Secondly, put the material on the surface and then set the temperature to 390 Fahrenheit and time to 8 seconds. Then warm peel. You can see the vinyl has been ironed already, so we could be ready to sublimate. Put the sublimation paper on the top of the vinyl and fix the 4 angles by using the heat-resistant tape. Then warm peel. Alright, everything is done. This is the finished product. It's not been a long time for me to know how to use vinyl to make crafts, and layering Htv is really a complex process for me originally. But now everything is becoming simple. I really have fallen in love with this product. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time!